student. Today we are going to discuss about participles. Participles. Okay. Do you know what is participles? Do you know what is verb? Verb. Verbs are action words, right? Action words we call as verb. Okay. Verb forms are there. V1, V2, V3, V4. Right. V1, V2, V3 and V4. Right. V1 in the sense present. V2 past. V3 past participle. Past participle. V4 present participle. See, present, V1 present, V2 past, V3 past participle, V4 present participle. Here we are going to learn today about participles in the sense these two, V3 and V4. V3 and V4, past participles and present participle. Okay. This is the topic given in your textbook. I request you to open your textbook page number 15 and listen to me. See, read the following sentence from the lesson. Because you are wearing silver shoes and have killed the wicked witch. Because you are wearing silver shoes and have killed the wicked witch. Here, words wearing and killed are participles. Wearing and killed. Wearing and killed. These two words are participles. These two words, wearing and killed, are participle. In the sense, V3 and V4 are there. Past participle and present participle. Okay. See, participles are formed from verbs. There are two types of participles, present participles and past participles. These participles are formed from verbs. I told you already what is these verbs are action words. There are mainly four kinds of verbs are there. V1, V2, V3, V4. We can say that okay, V1 is present, V2 is past, V3 is past participle, V4 is present participle, right? So there are two types of past participles. How many types of participles are there? Two types of participles are there. In the sense, which are the two types of participles? V3 past participle and V4 present participle. Okay. See, present participles are formed in the following ways. Okay, now we are going to learn about how these present participles, how we can form present participles. Okay, let us see how it is. See how we can form present participle. Okay, see first by adding ing. By adding ing. See the first point in your textbook, usually formed by adding ing to the verb. For example, wear, wearing, cook, cooking and cry, crying. Yes, usually we can form present participle by adding ing. In the sense, V4 means present participle. It is, we can say V4 is equal to V1 plus ing. We can say V4 is equal to V1 plus ing. For example, wear. W-E-A-R. Wear. What is the past present participle? Present participle wearing, right? present participle wearing. Here where is V1 plus ing, where plus ing, wearing. Okay, so by adding ing usually we can make present participle. For example, wearing, cooking, crying, reading, closing, writing, etc. Okay, next, if the verb ends in silent E, drop the final E and then adding ing. See, if the verb ends in silent E, if the verb ends in silent E, for example, if the last letter is E, the verb last letter of the verb is E, and also this E letter, if it is silent there, we can, what we can do there, we can drop this E letter and we can write ing there. Okay, for example, what is the example given there? Dance. Dance. See, dance, D-A-N-C-E, D-A-N-C-E, here E is silent there, dance, dance, E is silent, so we are dropping this E letter, we are not going to use this E letter in V4, okay, then we can write in the place of E, we can add there ing to make the V4 or present participle. And one more example, write, W-R-I-T-E, W-R-I-T-E. Here also E is silent there, right, we say right, is right, E is silent there, we can drop this E letter, in the place of E, we can write ing and we get the V4 form of this verb, right? And next way, third one, double the final consonant before adding ing. See, if the verb is a only one syllable word and ends in consonant plus vowel plus consonant, double the final consonant before adding ing. We have to double the final consonant, last consonant. Do you know vowels and consonant? There are 5 vowel sound, 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Remaining all the letters, 21 letters are consonants, right? See, if there is only one consonant in a word, we can add only one consonant. After that, what should be there? There is a consonant. If there is a consonant after one vowel sound, we can double the last consonant and we can write ing there. For example, consonant plus vowel plus consonant, then we can add this last consonant, we have to double it and we can write ing form. I'll write the example, you will get clear idea. For example, what example is given there? Plan. That plan is given there. Plan. Plan. P-L-A-N. P-L-A-N. See there? P-L-A-N. Here only one vowel sound is there. Plan. Right. Is there. Only one vowel sound is there. Before that consonant is there. After the vowel sound, what is there? Again one consonant is there. Right. See, this I taught consonant plus vowel plus again consonant. Right. Consonant plus again a sound, vowel sound is there. Plus again consonant is there. N. Right. If it is like this, what we have to do? We have to double the consonant. We have to double the final consonant. What is there? Last consonant, what is there? N is there. We have to double it. P-L-A-N. Again we have to write one more N. We have to double the final consonant. Last consonant we have to double it. And we want to add next ing. Plan, planning. run, running. One more example I can say. Run, R-U-N, run. Only one vowel is there. U, run, sound is there. Here U is pronouncing like okay. One vowel sound is there. Here also consonant plus vowel plus consonant is there, right? We have to double the last consonant, final consonant. We have to double. What is there? Again we have to write one more N, right? Run, running. Then we have to add ing. Run, running. Hope you understand. And the last one, change IE to Y. See, last one, last point. If the verb ends in IE, change IE to Y and then add ing. If the verb ends in IE, for example, die, verb is ending with the IE, these letters, right? Verb is ending with this word is ending with the IE, right? What we have to do? We have to change this IE to Y for making V4 present participle. Okay, DIE is there. We have to change this IE. We want to change to Y. Dying. Dying. IE changing to Y. Then we are adding ing. Dying. Like the same tie. It is also ending. Tie. It is also ending with the IE. Right. Here tie. We are changing IE to Y. Then writing ing. We got V4. Right. Okay. Tie. Tying. Die. Dying. These are the ways. These are the 4 ways to get V4 form or present participle form. Okay. Hope you understand. See, read these points well and you have to do the activity which is given in page number 16. Please turn over the page. In page number 16, there is an activity. Use present participle form of the verb given in the bracket to complete the phrases. To complete these phrases, you have to write present participle form of the word which is given in the bracket. For example, here bark is given. Dash dog given in the bracket. In bracket, they have given bark. Bark present participle you have to write. It means V4 you should write there. Bark. What is there? Barking. With adding ing form. While you are adding ing form, you have to remember these rules. Okay. These points you have to remember and you have to fill these answers. This is your today's homework. Okay. First exercise from page number. First activity from page number 16. Regarding present participle, you have to fill the blanks by using V4 of the given words which is given in the bracket. You have to write V4 forms of those words. Okay, this is your today's homework.